Alright guys, I have a 2006 Nissan Murano. I'm doing a radiator in this one. Alright, the procedure is like this. I'm gonna remove this one. There's a clamp right there. Just put it on the side. I'm gonna remove this. This is the best tools you can have. This is a snap-on pliers. See how big you can open it. Just open it up. Put it in this. Just crack it. Just pull it back gently. Make sure don't spill the coolant everywhere. Put it on the side. It's full of coolant. Push this tab and pull it back. Yep. Put it on the side. Okay. I'm gonna remove this two holding tab for the upper radiator. As you see, it says up. See this tab right there? Just lift it up like this. Okay, the problem that I have right now, this fan is just, that part of the fan is stuck underneath the battery tray. Fast tools, tap on swivel. Easily slide it up, yep. One thing was holding the cooling fan, it was this line. This is a transmission cooling line. Make sure when you remove it, put them back in the same order. But this one is longer, you can't mix that. But this is inside the cooling fan. Make sure to remove them. It goes right there, slide it out. Use the smaller tools. Yep. This. Installation process is the same, like reverse, and it's same way, you just install it. As I said, you see the cooler line. This one is installed, down installed, this one, and you turn I turned the clamp. It's easy if you remove the cover underneath it, but I didn't want to go underneath the car, and I did it like this, and it's the same way, it doesn't matter. Couple tips before install the radiator back. I removed the lower hose. You saw how hard it was to remove it. Before installing the new radiator, I installed this hose back because it's tight place, and I put it back. Make sure to do this and turn that. It will make the job easier if you install this too, because it's hold the radiator in place instead of just, if you remove this rubber, put it in, and then this one too, remove the rubber, put it in, and then slide it. I don't want to forget this hose. This is from the reservoir.